Hey y'all, today I am going to be giving these Woomer colored pencils their very first spin. This is not a review or a teaching video, it's just me exploring and seeing how they feel. I'm going to be testing on both white and toned paper, so let's get started. It's a really cute tin with, I love the cat that they have on this. There's swatch colors that they're pre-printed on the back. They're pretty close, but you have the option of tearing open this belly band and you can do your swatching on the inside of it on white paper. It does say that they are light fast, and I think that there's somebody out on the internet who has done light fast ratings on these actual pencils. So I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description below. Now, the presentation is nice. Having the color separated on two trays is very similar to pretty much all other color pencils. The trays are kind of flimsy, and I will probably be sliding these into a pencil pouch or a pencil thing, with the slots. Anyway, the presentation on the actual pencils is nice. The paint is good. The cores seem to be centered, and all the information is printed on, but it is in gold metallic paint. I hate gold metallic paint on my pencils because I can't read them. Now I'm speeding up my swatch testing here, and I'm testing it on the Strathmore toned gray paper and a bright white watercolor sketchbook, just because that's what I had, and it made it easy to be able to do this. The colors are nice. They are waxier than I was expecting. They feel much more like the Prismacolors. The yellows and blues are really popping here. There's a lot of yellow, a lot of blue, a lot of brown, and um, grays. There's a few reds, not as many reds as I thought there would be, but there's a few reds, and there are some pastel colors. So you do have a good range of light, mid-tone, and dark so that you can get your little bit more three-dimensional design flow going on. Oh, and these pencils came pre-sharpened with that short sharpened tip. I have sharpened these using my electric sharpener, and they go to a nice point and they don't seem to shatter off or flake off funny. So I'm really happy with that. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put a pumpkin on here and use a lot of yellows and oranges, a little bit of brown and some red to color in this pumpkin, just so I can get a feel for how the colors go down. Okay, I'm super surprised by how well these colors are going down on the textured. This is a cold press watercolor paper, so there's a light texture to it. And when I'm blending lighter over darker tones, the wax base is really helping everything melt together beautifully. I'm noticing very little flaking or crumbling, and these pencils sharpen so nicely. And now I'm going to do this on toned paper. Ah, I love color pencil on toned paper. It seems to make magical things happen. The glow is beautiful. These colors are, like I said, they're rich. They're almost velvety looking on the toned paper. I am going to do a little bit of white on top to get some gloss and shine. And the white, I've got to say, is so like my Prismacolor white. Um, this could give it a run for the money. I'm just saying. It's not perfect, but it's really close. So after an afternoon of doodling, I can honestly say I like these pencils. They're smooth, they layer easily, the colors blend beautifully, both on white and toned paper, like you see right here. And um, they're going to be on my table. I'm going to keep them on my table and keep using them. Now, if you'd like to try these, Woomer gave me a thank you code for the community. So the code is down below in the description box and I'll pin it in the comments. That way, you'll be able to find it easily. It's a 50% off for the month of November. Huh. So give it a try if you want to. You're not going to find a better price. I'll just tell you now. So thank you for joining me for this first look. And remember to go out, do something creative, take care of yourself so you can take care of those you love. And I'll see you back here again really soon. Bye bye.